Very good morning to all of you student. Today I want to discuss about science subject chapter 3rd, that's name is save plant and animals. Firstly, I will discuss with you about the chapter and content of the chapter after this keywords and exercise. So the chapter name is save plant and animals. By the title we can understand in this chapter we learn about how can save different kinds of plants and animals. So our first topic is how plants and animals gets energy, because every plants and animals need or required to energy for growth and development of the body and repairing of the body and perform many work by the energy. So firstly I will discuss how plants get their energy. Green plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil to make food. Green plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil to make food. A plant can do this only with the help of sunlight. The energy of the sun is stored in the food. So students, you also to know about this process is also known as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants making own food. Animals eat food and breathe in air. The oxygen of the air acts on food and gives out the stored energy. Animals eat food and breathe in air. The oxygen of the air acts on food and gives out the stored energy. This energy is used by plants and animals to carry out various functions. When body uses this energy, carbon dioxide is formed. This carbon dioxide returns to the air and again used by the plant for making food. Students, here we have observed, firstly plants make food with the help of air and water and sunlight, and green pigment also present, that's name is chlorophyll. And plants prepare the food. After preparing the food, animals take food by the plant and breathe in oxygen by the environment. When food has digested and oxygen enters our body and chemical process conducted and release energy. Next topic is plants and animals depends on each other. Plants and animals can't live without each other. How do plants and animals help each other? Students, in this topic we discuss about how plants and animals depend on each other. Plants make food for animals. Animals can't live without food. Plants make food for animals by the process of photosynthesis. Animals can't live without food. Animals breathe in oxygen present in the air and breathe out carbon dioxide. In this process, oxygen is used to break food to produce energy and carbon dioxide is released. Plants use this carbon dioxide to make their food and gives out oxygen to the air. This cycle continues in nature. Here we have observed plants take carbon dioxide and water for making food, and animals take oxygen for breathing that is released by plants. So these are depend on each other. Balance is in nature. Next topic is balance in nature. Plants and animals depend on each other. Whenever the number of plants and animals in an area increases or decreases, it upsets the balance in nature. For example, if carnivores of an area are killed, the herbivores increase in number. These herbivores get into our farms and ruin them. Plants and animals depend on each other. Whenever the number of plants and animals in a particular area increases or decreases, it upsets the balance in nature. One example is also given here. If the carnivores of an area are killed, the herbivores increase in number. Like as if carnivores like lion, tiger were killed or killed, after this herbivores animals like as deer, rabbit increase in number day by day. When the carnivores are killed, the herbivores increase in number. They enter our village and finish off all our vegetation, making the area a desert. When a carnivores increase in number, they enter our village and lift our cattle and sometimes become man eaters. Yes, in a particular area, if herbivores are increase in number, they comes to our cities and take other vegetables or fruits field area and finish many herbivorous many plants and it makes like a desert. Same as if carnivorous animals increase in number, they comes our village, they lift our cattle and sometimes become its man also. How to protect plant? Our next and very important topic is how to protect plant. Take two potted plants, water one of them. What do you see after a few days? The plant which was not watered withers and dies. Now take two other potted plants, put manure in one of them. What do you observe? The plant which has manured is green and healthy. Student, look at this picture and observe. in the first part have two potted plant, one have watered and one another have not watered. After few days, not watered plant become dry, and same as in another part, two potted plant are also here. One have manured and other without manure. If manure is present, available, then plants grow very easily and very healthy. Another is not more healthy. Plants need water and manure to grow properly. If you keep a plant indoor for a long time, the leaves slowly become yellow. This is due to lack of sunlight, because potted plants keep indoor, then sunlight does not reach that place. Therefore, plants also need proper sunlight to grow. Plants should be protected from excess heat or cold. This is done by keeping the plants in a specially designed house called the greenhouse. Plants also needs proper sunlight to grow. Plants should be protected from excess heat or cold. This is done by keeping the plant in a special designed house that is known as greenhouse. Crops and grains are often destroyed by insect, rats, molds, etc. Then can be prevented by spraying chemical like pesticide and insecticides. And many times we have seen many insect, rat or another type of living beings destroyed the crops. That time we use different pesticides and insecticide for protect them. Next, why protect forests? Forests give us many useful product. Forest also protect the soil from getting washed off. Thus, it prevents soil erosion, it checks the flood, it also helps in bringing rain. Can you tell how it brings rain? It is the home of many wild animals. It maintains a balance of atmospheric gases. Now you can imagine what would happen to us if all the forests disappear from the earth. If all the forests disappear on the earth, too much problems present in front of us, like as lack of oxygen, breathing problem, and foods food problem also. So okay, today this is sufficient. Okay students, bye.